Today we're announcing something huge. Until now, spotlights, zooms, arrows, rectangles were elements that you had to manually add inside Clueso. But with our latest feature, you can sit back and watch elements getting added automatically. Introducing Auto Add Elements, a feature that is going to make your work much more easier. Clueso now automatically adds elements. Let's try this with a rough screen recording of Airbnb and upload that into Clueso. And look at that timeline. Clueso has automatically added a long zoom effect with a callout and 2 spotlights to your video. If you look closely, you'll notice that these elements are well timed and positioned on the frame perfectly. This feature takes you from manually adding elements to simply reviewing and adjusting them based on your needs. To activate this feature, head to the settings page. Click Default Settings and toggle the Auto Add Elements button. We would love to hear what you think about this feature. Try it out and let us know what to build next for you. I'm Shriya from Clueso and I'll see you soon.